Hi there, DIY Dave here bringing you another great how-to. In this episode, I'm going to show you how I set up my car to accept streaming from any smart device. The back of my car has 3 RCA jack inputs, such as these right here, and there's no HDMI input, but there is a connection directly to the TV. And so I sourced all these parts together, and I found a way that I can connect any smart device and my kids' iPhones to the rear so they can stream. I no longer have to buy DVDs. It actually is a DVD player. It's not a Blu-ray player, so finding DVDs is actually getting harder and it's just not economical. I don't even have a DVD player or Blu-ray player in my house at all. So anything I buy would be specifically just for the vehicle. And so this made more sense to me. So I'm going to show you the parts in which I went through. So for the iPhone specifically, you're going to need this adapter. It's a Lightning connection right here to an HDMI adapter. Right here is for your HDMI port, and this is for your charging. So while you're streaming, you can connect this to another charger and it'll charge your device so you can go through it. So this is a really important part to have. Without it, you can't do anything. They have Android versions. There are aftermarket versions. I haven't tested those, so those should work, but you have to test them to see what it is. Then you need a HDMI to RCA converter, this is a box that I found here. And essentially how this works is it's HDMI on one end and it's RCA on the other end. There is a power, so you're going to need some power supply. And then there's this little switch here. And so this switch is PAL right on one side and NTSC on the other side. And I have it set to NTSC and everything is working fine. Another thing you're going to need, obviously, you're going to need some RCA cables right here. And for the power, unless you have multiple USBs, you're going to have something to plug it into, right? So I don't have as many USB jacks, but I do have a plug-in that I can plug this into. And so I'm using this to plug this in to give this unit power. All right, so let me show you how I set that all up. So step one, I would take this and I would plug it into here like this. Okay, you have that. Now I take the other end and I plug the other end of the HDMI cable into here. Then I plug the power in right here. Then I plug this into here. So you have white, red, yellow, and then I plug this into here. So you see here how it's built out. And then what I do is I take up my phone and I just plug my phone into there. And then I plug this into the vehicle, which I'll show you. And then I get to stream anything from Netflix, Hulu, Prime Video, YouTube, basically anything you have an app for that you can stream. It's a mirror link. So whatever is on your phone screen will be on that digital display screen. So let me show you what that looks like. All right, so now let's take a look at the connection to the screen. So there I have this connected through this dongle, through the HDMI converter that's down there. Let's play a handy video here. This one's probably good. So you see it basically mirrors your screen here. It's just a mirror link. So here I'm going to play this. It starts to play. This is a table that I have just for general party purposes. It's a fold-up table. Fairly inexpensive, but I get multi-use out of it, and that's the total goal I have today, is to use whatever I have around the house to help groom the dogs. And so here I'll show you what I do to set this up. And then I get to stream Netflix. I get to stream Prime, Hulu, YouTube, anything I want. Really quick, really easy, and hopefully this helps you. Thanks for watching. And if you like what you saw, consider subscribing and give it a thumbs up. Happy DIYing, and I hope to see you again. I'm out.